Smoothies, soups and sauces. Blitz them all with a blender. Choose from 3 types: a single-serve blender, high-powered blender or stick blender. First, single-serve or personal blenders. Ideal for whipping up nutritious breakfast smoothies, just load in your favourite ingredients and press go. An extractor blade makes quick work of fruit, vegetables, nuts and seeds. Want to blend an ice-cold frappe? Look for a model with at least 900 watts of ice-crushing power. Most single-serve blenders have cup attachments with handy travel lids so you can blend and dash. Or for the ultimate on-the-go blender, go portable. Like a water bottle with a blade, just charge, fill, then blend fresh at the gym or office. Next, high-powered blenders. These pack around 1000 watts of power into a sturdy base with heavy-duty blades and large capacity jugs. A real kitchen whiz, these benchtop blenders mix soups, crush ice for cocktails, and freshly grind coffee beans. Want more? You got it! Top-of-the-line models also heat, puree, chop, whip, juice and churn. Now that's a handy kitchen helper. Look for models with variable speeds and preset recipes to nail the perfect consistency for sauces and marinades. Blending daily? Why not leave one on the bench? Trendy models are made to be seen with sleek, stylish designs to suit any kitchen. Finally, stick blenders. Keep one handy for whipping up dips and tasty vinaigrettes, chopping herbs and pureeing homemade baby food. With a lightweight single shaft, use a stick blender to mix soups straight from the saucepan. Less dishes. Love that. Versatile models are cordless and come with attachments for quick and easy whisking and kneading. Ready to go shopping? The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.